Hi, this is Brendan from Watto Training, and today what I'm going to show you is a manoeuvre that's used in the Q-Safe driving assessment, which is called the gear changing exercise. So the first thing I'm going to do here is leave the curb and drive along up a hill, and then I'm going to drop it from drive back to second. And I'll use the safety button, this silver button on the side when I do that. I'll probably change down from drive to second when I'm in, let's say, about 20 k's an hour. You don't want to have the RPMs up too high when you do this maneuver. Okay, so first of all I do my mirror checks, indicator, shoulder, I'm into drive, foot's on the brake, foot's on the handbrake's on, release the handbrake, one more little shoulder check and I'm out on the road and I'm moving along. I'm going up a hill, straighten the wheels up. So what I do is just push the button in, drop it back to second, drops it back, and now I can do my climbing up the steep hill. This is a really steep hill, this one, so just give it a little bit of power. And this one's good because you can even push the button in, drop it back to low, and climb the hill. So you can hear the vehicle climbing, working as it's getting up the hill as well. So once I'm up and the RPMs are up around 3,000, one click forward to second, you can hear it change gears there, and I'm up on top of the rise now. Drop it, kick it up to drive, and we're driving on. And now we're actually heading down the hill. So what I'm going to do is indicate to the left, check that it's all clear on the left, ease the vehicle over, straighten the wheel up, park parallel to the curb, secure with the handbrake, put the vehicle into park, cancel the signal, and switch the vehicle off. And that's the gear changing exercise.